Then grab the cargo.
It'll be part of a convoy.
What are you thinking?
Quick hit and run. Get me close to the truck and I'll take care of the rest. Rav, you turned that Mustang into a runner yet?
Yep. Followed your specs, the plating's all in. It'll take a punch and dish it right back.
Great. Mac, you and Rav got that drone ready to fly?
I'll be your eyes in the sky.
All right. Time to show the house we're back.
I see it. Truck's almost there. And they brought their muscle.
Here we go.
Get me close to that truck before it hits the tunnel. The house won't let us anywhere near the truck. We gotta take out those cars.
With pleasure.
Nice hit, Ty.
One down, one to go.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's get that truck.
Mac, anything else headed our way?
You're in the clear. Having fun yet, Jeff?
Not one bit.
She's grinning from ear to ear.
No, I'm not.
I knew it.
Jess, you ready?
Get me in position.
No good.
I need more time, Tyler.
Come on.
Look out!
I got brake checked hard. We'll get him. What the hell?
This guy's out of his mind.
There's something much bigger going on here. They wouldn't go this far for just a car. They wouldn't go this far for just a car.
What's the play?
New plan. Forget the tunnel. We get him before he reaches the city.
Are you guys seeing this?
Seeing and feeling.
Back up. They got back up.
I see them.
Take him out, Tyler.
Guys, more house cars headed your way.
We'll handle it.
Come on, knock him out, Ty.
These guys are tougher.
Freaking tanks is what they are.
They're going down either way.
Guys, I'm hearing a lot of cop chatter. We got someone's attention.
Then let's get this done fast.
Come on. Come on, get rid of these guys.
That last car's not going to let you at that truck. You need to get rid of him. Jess, I've got a really bad idea.
Mac?
Ladder on the side. You can get up on his right.
Closer, Ty.
On it.
Keep it steady.
baby home.
I'll see you there.
The Mustang's too hot. I'll ditch it and catch up later.
Jess, that's a hell of a lot of cops on your tail. You sure you can handle them?
In this car, they'll never keep up.
So, Jess, how's she handling?
You know when you step on the gas and the engine growls to life for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Like that, except it never stops.
Man, I can't wait to drive it.
Sorry, Mac. The Koenigsegg's going straight to the Gambler as soon as Ravs had a peek under the hood.
Damn it. Why don't I ever get to drive cool cars? Almost there, Jack.
Hey, Mac. You were right, by the way.
Yeah?
This is fun.
Ha ha! Rav, Jess is here.
What? Already?
It's a shame we can't drive it around. This thing is on fire.
Bring it into the garage. Time I took a peek under the hood. Figure out what's so special about this thing.
So, you lost the car. This kind of failure will not become a pattern.
I'll find whoever did this. You can be sure of that.
My investors are becoming anxious. I pulled you out of the barrio because I thought you could handle this.
I can.
I hope so. What's under that hood was worth more than your life.
This better not be you, Morgan.